And we have a breezy view from our Dakota Magic Skycam, and it does look like we're seeing some bare ground out there. And the more of that bare ground we can see, then the better job that sun does at warming the actual temperature as opposed to spending its energy melting banks of snow. Here is a look at those temperatures down south. It is 46 in Sisseton, where we're seeing more bare ground, but where we have snow on the ground. We're stuck in the upper 30s today, but it still felt pleasant by recent standards. Mid and upper 30s across western portions of Minnesota as well. 39 right now out at Hector. Moorhead out at the airport, 37 degrees. Wind here from the west-southwest at only 8 miles per hour. More clouds on the Minnesota side of the river did yield a few snowflakes in central Minnesota. Those are rapidly moving off to the east, and we're enjoying a band of quiet weather here before our next batch of clouds and precipitation move in for Wednesday. And it looks like a wintry mix is in store for our midweek day. First and foremost this evening, we'll see gradual clearing across parts of western Minnesota. Temperatures slipping into the 30s, but after sunset will quickly dip well below freezing into those 20s out there. Little cool air moving in from the north will really chill things off out there, but we'll see increasing clouds out west to start our Wednesday morning. Again, temperatures for most in the 20s. As we go through the morning, precipitation begins out west in the form of rain south, and we could be getting, because of the frozen surface, some areas of freezing rain along Interstate 94. So if your early day travels take you to the western Dakotas, be aware of some slippery road conditions. Check the road reports on valleynewslive.com. So we go into the late day. The eastern third of North Dakota will see a chance of snow. Look at the rain down south with that cutoff point here right around the I-94 corridor as we go into Wednesday night. So your commute home in places like Valley City, Jamestown, up towards Devil's Lake could be quite slippery. While we'll see temperatures in the 40s, that's warm enough for rain. As we go into the evening hours, we'll see it quickly transition to snow. Again, I-94 and points north, the best chance for that mixed bag of tricks. Remember that cool air that punched into northern Minnesota? Because of those cooler surface temperatures, a chance for some snow to accumulate a little fluffier. The rest of us seeing that wet, slushy type of snow, 1 to 2 inches across a broad area with some isolated amounts up to 4 inches. And the best chance, I think, of that may be in the far north where we have that colder air. Remember, Wednesday morning, a chance of that ice out in the central Dakotas. So your planner for Fargo, 25 to start, ramping it up to 40, increasing clouds. Best chance of precip here will be in the drive time home hours into the early overnight. And there could be some accumulations with temperatures freezing, causing slippery roads on Thursday morning across the area. Your afternoon temperatures will be warmest to the south and to the east before the system gets here, near 40 degrees. We'll have a chance at increasing clouds and some light showers of rain south, with snow taking place in the afternoon in northeast North Dakota from Jamestown and points north. Now we're watching that storm for Saturday. It looks like a windy event Friday night into Saturday. Very gusty northwest winds, bands of heavy snow, which may be tracking south depending on our model here. It's going to be changing as we go through the time period. It makes its way into southern Minnesota. It does look like the best chance for the heaviest accumulations will be from South Dakota into southern Minnesota. But it's a changing situation a ways out. We'll keep you updated. And we'll let this guy know, too. A flicker tail searching for spring along with the rest of us. Becky, what a great photo. Thanks for uploading. So Thursday, a little break in between systems, but watch that morning commute. By the afternoon, looks pretty good at 42 degrees. Friday into Saturday, there's that storm. It looks windy. It looks snowy for some, particularly south. And then next week, we have great news to report. If we don't get too deep on the snow, a very good shot at rebounding into the 40s. As we head into the middle of the week.
That is great news.
It is, isn't
Indeed.
it?
Thanks.